and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Let's talk about English. My dear friend, first of all, I would like to say you all sorry because I could not upload video constantly 2 days because I was damn busy and occupied, and still I will be for some time, so sorry for that. And you can see not being consistent in practicing. You can see while speaking I'm hesitating and fumbling, my dear friend, because the way I used to do practice I could not, and that's why I'm fumbling and hesitating while speaking. Personally I felt it, and I realize it that I am fumbling and hesitating. And why I am sharing this to you, because I want to aware you, I want to warn you, and tell you why. Because be mostly for beginner, being a beginner, what a learner they think, and I also used to think that once I will learn this language, then I won't need to do practice. So if someone thinks like this, once they learn this language they won't need to do practice. So my dear friend, nothing is like that. A language needed continuous practice, whether you are a beginner, whether you are intermediate, and whether you are a fluent speaker. Why? If someone is beginner, so being consistent in practicing, they can build confidence, fluency, and gain knowledge about vocab, sentences. If someone has intermediate level, so they can achieve fluency. If someone is a fluent level speaker, he has fluency, yes, he has fluency. So they also have to do practice continuously. Why? Because if they if they don't do practice continuously, so they can lose their fluency, they can lose their confidence, they can lose their knowledge, words, sentences. So it doesn't matter which level you have, where you are beginner, you are intermediate, you are fluent level. For everyone continuous practice is needed. A language needed, a language needed continuous practice. अगर कोई बिगनर है तो उन्हें वो चीज़ें बिल्ड करना है, कॉन्फिडेंट बिल्ड करना है, और नॉलेज जो है ज़्यादा गेन करना है, और फ्लुएंसी जो है अचीव करना है। कोई इंटरमीडिएट है तो उन्हें भी सेम चीज़ें करनी है। अगर कोई फ्लुएंट है तो उन्हें भी जो है कंटिन्यूअस प्रैक्टिस करना है, क्योंकि अगर वो नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा, जो भी फ्लुएंसी उन्होंने अचीव किया है वो लूज कर सकते हैं, जो भी नॉलेज उन्होंने गेन किया है वो लूज कर सकते हैं, जो भी कॉन्फिडेंट जो उन्होंने बिल्ड किया है वो उनसे लूज कर सकते हैं। सो फॉर फ्लुएंट स्पीकर continuous practice is needed to maintain their consistency, to maintain their fluency, to maintain their confident. So my dear friend, if you are thinking, so listen this carefully, and accept the reality. Once you will learn it, it will initially it seems hard, but once you will spend some time in it, it will become easy for you. And you know but it doesn't mean that you won't need to do practice. You will need to practice, and continuous practice, my dear friend. See how I am hesitating while speaking and fumbling, uh, because I didn't do practice the way I used to do. So similarly, if you do, you can also lose your confidence. Like however I haven't lost my confidence and that much fluency, because I did practice, not a lot but little bit, for maintaining my consistency. I did. So I want to tell you, this is the life, and in our life sometimes we get time there, we have to occupied. we have to occupied fully. So in such situation I want to say you, no matter how much busy you are, but at least try to do practice for 10 minutes, for 20 minutes, for 5 minutes, listening, speaking, and reading. So in this way you can maintain your consistency, and you cannot lose your confidence, you cannot lose your fluency if you will be consistent. So I wanted to tell you, if you are someone and thinks like that, so definitely you should know the reality. If you accept the reality and then go forward, so you can face that things. But if you already have thought that, oh, I have to work hard initially, and later on when I will become fluent I don't need to do practice continuously, so nothing is like that. Yes, things will become easy for you, you won't need to do that much hard work, everything will become smoothly. But you will have to keep some friend with whom you can do practice for 20 minutes, for 30 minutes in English. You can talk with them, you can listen something in 20 minutes, for 10 minutes in English. You can read something, 5 lines, 10 lines, and that's how you can maintain your fluency. But initially really you need to give a lot of hard work and time too. So my dear friend, that's why I thought I should share with you. If you get such times, so try to maintain your consistency. Don't leave your practice fully. If you leave fully, so नाउ यू गॉट टू नो व्हाट विल हैपन। अगर आप पूरी तरह से अपना प्रैक्टिस छोड़ देंगे तो आप जो है, जो भी आपने कॉन्फिडेंट बिल्ड किया है, फ्लुएंसी बिल्ड किया है, नॉलेज गेन किया है, वो सारे जो है आप लूज कर सकते हैं। तो डोंट लेट योर हार्ड वर्क वेस्ट, एंड maintain your fluency, maintain your confidence, maintain your knowledge by doing practicing, no matter how many minutes, how many hours, but do each and every day, whether you are beginner, intermediate, and fluent level. So I hope you like this information. If you, then please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.